A small surprise on this 1950s Bernina 534 Switzerland made. Well, this gear that you see there, which is driving the hook, it's plastic. The top component, opponent gears, if you want, it's metal. But the gear itself, it's all plastic. And now I did access it by removing the hook and this plate which screw in the center. It doesn't change the timing, it's really just a cover plate here to cover this gear, and the gear itself, it's oiled from above, so it's not greased but oil. We do oil this sliding metal bar gear from above, the oil will leak on the plastic gear. It does have two cogs engaged at all times, two cogs, that's all it takes. I'm not sure if this machine is that strong if you happen to have a jam, if you are sewing more thicker material. The cogs are fairly deep, so it's not small. These are in good condition, but I'm surprised for the 50s to meet a important plastic gear part. This machine was sold in 58, so I would guess it's a model that was marketed from the 50s or so. But anyhow, to me this seems like a weak spot, not very weak spot, but certainly a weak spot.